Hello everyone! Recently I cured and roasted my own ham, so I'm gonna show you how. I had about 4 pounds of pork shoulder that I cured for 3 days in curing salt and curing spice. And now an hour before roasting, I'm gonna let it come to room temperature in water, as well as rinse off the excess salt and spice. Now I'm going to prepare about 6 to 8 potatoes by peeling them and cutting them into 1-inch pieces very roughly. Now the potatoes are not going to be roasted under the ham. I prefer them separately so that they're more crispy, but I'm going to be using the ham brine with all the spice to parboil the potatoes so they absorb some of that meaty cured flavor. It's a little unique, I would say. Anyway, I prepared apples, celery, carrots, and cherry tomatoes in bite-sized pieces and put it in my IKEA Dutch oven underneath the cured ham. It's going to go into the oven to bake covered at 160 degrees Celsius for about 2 hours. Now I've parboiled the potatoes in ham brine for about 5 to 7 minutes, and I'm going to put them into my cast iron skillet and season them with black pepper, cayenne pepper, parsley, basil, oregano, and then some mustard, as well as a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm going to stir everything together, and when the ham is about done, after 2 hours, I'm going to put the potatoes into the top of the oven so they get nice and crispy. Now after the ham has roasted for 2 hours, I'm going to take the lid off and increase the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. Then I'm going to make a glaze from honey, Worcestershire sauce, and English mustard, but you can use any kind of mustard. I'm going to glaze the ham during its 3rd hour of baking, watching carefully to make sure that the glaze doesn't burn, but that it is nicely browned. Then when the ham is done, I'm going to take it out and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Now it's time to slice open the ham. It wasn't a very well cut slice of meat to begin with because it wasn't like a perfect circle, but I feel it made really delicious ham. I mean, look at all the juiciness and the pinkness of it. It's definitely well cooked without being overcooked, without being too dry. And I'm serving it with the roast potatoes, with the roast veggies that were under the ham, and also with some bread that I had made beforehand. So it was a really delicious dinner, and if you like this video, do like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye!